Hey guys, welcome to the Greenway Project. Make sure you follow us for more content. So we are in the process of completely remodeling our house, literally dropping the ceilings, installing new lighting, new kitchen, new flooring, new paint, the whole 9 yards. And one of my big goals is to learn how to do everything. So this is my first attempt at doing wall texture and ceiling texture actually. So we were going for an orange peel kind of look. And just to give you guys an idea of what an orange peel texture looks like, check out this picture. So we're choosing this texture style because we wanted almost smooth ceilings. So this lets us texture, but just to like the very minimal amount of texture that we could do. Alright, round 2 for me, I think went a lot better. So check out all my progress I made finishing up the texture in this living room. Watching this video, I can clearly see the spots that I had missed the first time, so that's kind of fun. You're also going to notice that we don't finish this room completely, and that's just because we have that big seam that we had just patched that morning, and it was still really wet, and we couldn't go back over it just yet. So we're going to finish that when we drywall some more ceiling, because we're doing the whole house, so we'll make it work. I wish that texturing went by as quickly as it does on the camera. I needed just a little bit more mud to finish out this room. Jason had mixed it up for me. And then we finished up and he kind of inspected to see if we had missed any spots or if it was drying already and we needed to get back to it. Once we finish spraying the texture on the ceiling, we have to go back through and kind of flatten it out to give us that flat textured look. And the way Jason describes that to me is that you have to wait for the zit to get just white on the top and not on the sides. So you should just keep watching.
It's time to start doing knockdown. You want to switch?
This part is not super exciting, but basically we're going to take a flat scraper and we're going to just drag it gently across the ceiling to give us a nice flat surface. Jason did know that when you do this, it's better to go back and forth instead of just do straight lines like I did. And that makes sure that your room doesn't end up having these textured lines where you can clearly see that someone took their scraper and moved it over 6 inches or whatever. So this part's pretty exciting and goes by pretty fast, so you want to check it out. Well, thank you guys for watching and being a part of this journey with us. I can't wait to show you what else I learn throughout this year.